American great again.
Yeah.
American great again. Wow, very malaki si John
Small.
Paul May. Small May. Your son
you
is.
okay?
Yeah, you okay May, but my son is big like me. Yeah. Bili mo kay John is large.
Medium.
Oh,
Huh?
large. John Paul is big, May. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, let's spray now.
Oh? No.
What size is that? What? Extra large? Large or yeah? Huh?
XL.
Ay, extra. Maybe medium, eh? Yeah, try the XL. That's big. Yeah, medium. Yeah, that's good. Medium. Yeah, that's good enough, eh? Yeah, we try to buy my son.
How much is it?
$10. $10.
15.
Give us discount. No discount. We buy a lot, but you don't give us. But what about 12 or $13? No? Oh, very.
So, every day the sleep, wake up, price up every
Wow, that's too much naman every day. Oh,
Iran is
that's too much.
Okay.
So every day.
We wake up is every day up.
Wow.
That's okay.
You don't want to buy me? O tama na sombrero?
Yeah, this is enough.
This enough? Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you
you.
very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. O tama na sombrero.
Yeah.
Si John Paul nagsusuot ng sombrero eh. Nakamura tayo ng $5, $10. Dahil sa ano, may
Great again ang binili niya.
diretso mi tapos sa Washington DC na White House tapos uwiin tayo. Ba, enjoy din tayo dalawa dito ha. Sa July naman punta tayo sa South Dakota. Ano natin si yung na-fire na VXS. Biro mo nagtitirahan pala sila nila Ladamski, no? Yung Dawski, no?